Again, welcome to Appliance Masters Facebook Live. I'm Bill, and before we get started, I want to remind you that as a default, all you have to remember is our website at appliancemaster.com. You can find everything there. At appliancemaster.com, you'll even find our phone number if you want to call. That's 800-752-7123. If you're online, you may not know this, you can always schedule online for any kind of a service call appointment 24/7. And if you also, any questions that you have, or you can ask them today on Facebook, add them to the comments below. Okay, so today we're finishing up our series on grills with tips on grilling vegetables. Some of my favorite, I guess. Here we go. I have a grill mat and no grill mat, just to go do a comparison. Without a grill mat, you're going to get better grill marks like on these squash planks, but you have to be careful, things may burn more quickly. And with a grill mat, you're going to get not as distinct, but you can still get some grill marks on your squash planks, on everything, I guess. And you also, it'll retain a little bit more moisture, the vegetables, on a grill mat. So, okay, these look pretty good, I guess. Pretty good. Like my father-in-law used to say, good enough to eat. So, okay, so I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna put some vegetables on the grill mat. And it's important to remember when you're making your skewers that these bamboo skewers, you should soak them overnight. Soak them in water so they don't burn, and that keeps your whole kebab assembly in order. So start these guys up. Also, yeah, I had also drizzled or soaked these in olive oil with garlic, so it's a little garlic oil for flavor. But that's one of what I like to do. And also, tomatoes are tough to cook on a grill. And I'll put these on here. Like tomatoes always kind of mushy, and so I'm going to put these on here on the grill mat just to get started. But also, we were going to talk about another way to cook tomatoes on a grill is I like to use this spinach stuffing, where we use cream spinach, a half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, right there, and cheese slices. You can choose any cheese you want, but I have some sharp cheddar today. And so I'm going to do the same thing here. This with the I should have made room on here because I'm going to put the tomatoes on the grill mat also, because it's just less of a chance of disaster flaming up. Oh, and there's mushrooms as well. And you can season your stuff however you like, but this seems to work pretty well for me right here. All right, I'm going to cheat right here. It's going to go like that. Anyway, so okay, so lunch should be ready in about 20 minutes. So if you've got time to get over here, come on down.